with global recession fears still looming. How is it impacting our mortgage rates? Let's talk about that more in this midweek market report with the Ryan Grubbs team here at Cross Country Mortgage for Wednesday, October 5th. So not a lot of stuff happening this week. Basically Friday, we're gonna get the big jobs report number coming out, and so that's what we're really waiting on here in this market. That's gonna be a big market mover, but we have seen mortgage securities improving over this past week. So let's talk about a little bit of what's coming out and what's being said right now in the market that kind of has a little bit of an impact right now. So Kathy Jones, who's the fixed income strategist over at Charles Schwab, came out the other day and basically said that she feels that we've seen the worst of the bond markets, which is great news. This means that we are thinking that we're going to see bond markets starting to rally back and be one of the first in, but also be first out in regards to the recession fears overhanging our economy right now. So with that, that goes into what we've been talking about in helping to see a rally in mortgage rates come to end of this year, beginning of next year. We also got Fed Vice Chair Brainerd coming out talking the other day saying that we need to give these Fed rate hikes time to actually see the global impacts of it. Now, she says that we do need to do some adjusting once we start seeing inflation coming down to know that we hit that key 2% target inflation number, which mimics yesterday the UN coming out to all the Federal Reserves and central banks asking them to halt rate hikes. They're not giving enough time for the rate hikes that they're implementing to see the impacts of it take place, and that the UN has a concern in regards to that we could see the fears of a global recession with continued rate hikes. So that has caused mortgage securities to rally, which has helped bring mortgage rates back down this week a little bit. So it's a great time to take advantage of these current rate markets. So let's take a look at what mortgage rate markets have been doing over the past couple months. So as you can see, we are obviously still off from our highs that we've seen in regards to mortgage securities. But we've seen this great little rally over the past 4 to 5 days, which has brought mortgage rates back into a good range this week. So it's still a great time to take advantage of locking in on that home purchase or refinance. Give us a call. We'll still help you with that free loan approval and free credit check. We'll see you back again next week.